The VIX is absolutely flat at levels of 12.36. Samit Chavan, technical analyst, Angel Broking, joins us. Samit, what's your near-term view as far as the Nifty is concerned? I mean, we are looking at a very tight range of 91 to 9200. Are we likely to break out or break down on either side very soon?
Yeah, good afternoon. We have already seen a relentless rally in last 3 months, Nifty more than 1300 points. So after witnessing such a huge rally, and there are some geopolitical concerns. So on that aspect, we are witnessing some profit booking at high level. As far as direction is concerned, Nifty remains positive. It's been maintaining its high top R bottom formation since last couple of months now. So as far as 9020 remains intact on a closing basis, the structure remains positive, and the trend wise Nifty remains in a strong uptrend. So this is just a consolidation phase within the larger degree uptrend, and we would expect Nifty to find strong support around 9060 9020. As far as levels in the upward direction are concerned, immediate resistance would be around 9160 9200, and yesterday we witnessed a nosedive from high levels of 9200 9210. So that remains an immediate hurdle, but we believe that overall Nifty is in a strong uptrend. Within this, the immediate range, as you said just now, it would be 9100 to 9200. So any breakout in within this important concession zone would likely to dictate near-term direction. But we believe that Nifty is in a strong uptrend, and we would see a strong buying coming in at lower levels.
Right. So what would a safe strategy be, Samit? Or is it time to be a little conservative and probably write both a 9,000 put on the lower side a little deeper, and maybe a 9250 or a 9300 call on the higher end? I mean, keep both a little deep.
See, due to yesterday's activity, the highest open interest in put option has now shifted from 9,000 to 9100, and call option from 9300 to 9200. So now Nifty is in a very narrow range of 100 points. 9100 9200 would be the immediate range that we would be seeing. So it is very important to buy at near-term support level. So now support would be around 9060 9080, and we are now trading around 9090 mark. So you can trade with a cautious bias, but the bias remains to be on the upward direction. Undertone still remains bullish. So at current juncture, since Nifty is trading around 9090 mark, we would advise trading naked call option. So at the money call option 9100 one can buy by keeping a strict stop loss below 9050 on a closing basis. And once we see Nifty surpassing 9150 9160 convincingly, we could expect good appreciation in that particular call strike.
Okay, let's put the focus on the Bank Nifty as well, Samit. We've come down almost 400 points from yesterday's high. Is this a good time to make an entry, or will you just wait for yes for IndusInd and then take a call? I mean, by the time we close around 2:30, 3 o'clock.
See, honestly speaking, in the first half yesterday, the Bank Nifty was looking very strong. In fact, it touched its record highs during yesterday's session. But the kind of closing that we witnessed yesterday is not so encouraging. So we would rather keep a close eye on few key levels on the lower side. 21,400, 21,450 would be seen as important support level, and on the higher side 21,700, 21,750 would be a strong resistance. So we would rather wait for a breakout to happen beyond 21,700 on a closing basis. So if that happens, then we could see extension of the recent upward rally at least toward 22,000, 22,200. So as of now, we don't want to take any position in Bank Nifty as such. We would closely keep a track of important support levels 21,400, 21,450 on the lower side, and on the higher side 21,700 on a closing basis.
All right. Stock specific then on the PSU Bank Index. In fact, we can pull up the Nifty PSU Bank Index and see how we're doing, because that has been a spot of resilience also in this overall range-bound market. In fact, we are a little lower, but overall the trend has been positive. Any PSU Bank specific names that you'll be keen on?
Yes, clearly in last couple of weeks, most of the PSU banking stocks are on a roll. We have been quite upbeat on the names like PNB, Can Bank, SBI, OBC, and now we like Bank of Baroda. This stock has been maintaining its upward bias since last 1 or 2 months. It's been maintaining its height of higher bottom formation, and yesterday we saw a hint of a breakout beyond the resistance of 176. So it is trading around that level, but looking at the overall price action, we expect this stock to surpass this level quite soon, and we expect this stock to move higher from current level. So it becomes a low risk buy at current level, keeping the stop loss somewhere around 170.75. One can buy for a near term target of 188, 191.
Right. Some of the power names are buzzing in trade today. Power Grid is the top Nifty gainer. It's up almost 4%. It has added 7.3% in open interest. So some fresh longs building up there. There is Calcutta Electric Supply, CESC, 5.4% higher. It's one of the top open interest candidates also, 14% build up there. Do these names look good, or any other names from the power pack, Samir?
Both the stocks you mentioned are attracting good buying interest. We are seeing long formations in both the stocks. But as far as risk to reward ratio is concerned, Power Grid looks a good bet for us. It has clearly broke out from a resistance of 207, 208, and if you look at the volume activity, it's been quite substantial. Thus, looking at this price volume activity, we expect the stock to continue this upward leg of the rally. Our immediate target for Power Grid would be somewhere around 218, 222. So one can buy on a minor dip, probably towards 208 would be a very good buying opportunity, keeping a strict stop loss somewhere around 201.
All right, Samir, thanks so much for joining us, giving us an index view around midday and also some stock picks to go ahead for the rest of the session. We'll take a very quick break. On the other side, we discuss commodities with Vijay Kedia of Kedia Comtrade.